So let's start with our third chapter of class 12 Sanskrit, Nirvimarshahi Bhirava, which means that a coward is unable to realize or analyze anything in a given situation. So coming to the Purva Katha, which tells us that Ekada Vatsarajaha, a king named Vatsarajaha, married a girl named Vasavadatta. Okay, Vasavadatta saha Vivahanantaram. After the Vivaha, what happened? He Rajakaryam Vismariti. He forgot about the Rajakarya, about the political work. Rajyasya Kechan Bhupradeshaha Paravashangataha means some of the kingdom territories are subject to others, means other enemies or rivals captured some of the territories as well. तदा तस्य महामन्त्री स्वामिनिष्ठः योगन्धरायणः चिन्ताकुलः सेनापतिना सह समालोचयच्च. Means what? Tada Saha Mahamantri, the minister. Okay, now how was the minister? He was Swaminishta, he was very loyal. Now, why do we specify that he was loyal? Because in many of the cases, we have seen that in these cases, when the king becomes ignorant of his country or his territories, then usually the Mahamantri kills off the king and then he plans to capture the kingdom, right? Or rule the kingdom himself. But here, the Mahamantri is very Swaminishta. He is very loyal to his master or the king, right? And his name was Yogandharayana. So what did Yogandharayana did? He was very worried. So he planned with the Senapati and to how to bring out the king from his over love for his wife. Okay. ततः योगन्धरायणः महासेन इति कस्यश्चन राज्ञः कथा श्रावयति. Then Yogandharayana, the Mahamantri, narrated the story of some Raja named Mahasena. सः तत् पत्नीव्यामोहात् बहिरागत्य राजभारं कथ कृतवान् इति वृणनोति, which means that the story he narrated explains about how the Mahasena Raja came out of his over love for his wife and took care of the kingdom. So he says that the same Tatha Eva Vatsa Raja Vishaye, the same should be done in the Vatsaraja's case to bring him out. Right? Ataha, so Vasavadatta Dagdha iti Mithya Pramadam Prasarya Pradyotu Satya Saha Vivaham Cha Karyatum Yuktam Kathayati. So now what happened? These two, the Senapati and Mahamantri, what they did, they planned that let us announce that Vasavadatta, that is the king's wife, passed away, or Dagdha. Okay, so now what will happen? Iti mithya pramadam, mithya false, false pravadam, that is false statements. Let us spread out in the kingdom. So what will happen? Then what will happen? Pradyotu sutaya. So then we will marry the king to some other girl. Okay, who was Pradyota Sutaya. So the same should be done. So he spreads. So finally, what will happen? So he spreads. They spread the false rumor that Vasavadatta was burnt and she died, and tells a trick to get the king married to Pradyota's daughter. That is Pradyota Sutaya. Okay, they plan to do these things. Then what happens? Tada Senapati Rumanwan. The name of the Senapati is Rumanwan. Okay, he tells that Yadi Yuktara Anushta Vifalo Bhavem means whatever plan we made, in the execution of that, some problem happens. Tarhi Upahasatam Rajnyah Anadaram cha gachem, which means then Upahasatam, people will laugh at us, right? And also the Raja, there would be disrespect for the Raja, right? Iti, and the Raja will also disrespect them, that these have so good positions but then they played these cheap tricks, right? So iti ashankya imam katha kathayati. Then the Senapati, what he does, he has this and all doubts that what if the people will ridicule them and what if the king will disrespect them. So if this and all happens, we will fall under the same condition. So the Senapati tells this story to us. Now let's come to the story finally. अस्ति मार्कंडिका नाम नगरे जाह्नवी तटे तस्यां मौनव्रतः कश्चित् आसीत् प्रव्राजकः पुरा. So asti Makandika Nama Nagari. So the name of the Nagari is Makandika. Where is that Nagari situated? On the banks of Janvi. Janvi is Ganga river. So in the past there was a certain exile who observed a vow of silence. Means what? There was certain monk. Pravrajaka is monk who observed Maun Vrata. As we know, Maun Vrata is that he will not talk for a certain time. Right? So प्रविष्टो जातु भिक्षार्थम् एकस्य वणिजो गृहे स ददर्श शुभां कन्या भिक्षाम् आदाय निर्गताम्. So one day what happened? Pravishto jatum. So there are certain, scriptures wherein some kind of people who are not used to go and work as being a monk. So they have to go house by house and ask for alms, right? So now what happened? One day this monk went to ask for alms. Okay. Bhikshartham ekasya vanijo gruhe. So he went to a merchant's house. Vanija is merchant. Sa dadarsha, he saw Shubham Kanya, a beautiful girl. Bhiksham adaya, to give bhiksha. She came out to give bhiksha or alms to him. Nirkatam. So he saw an auspicious girl coming out with alms. दृष्ट्वा चादुतां रूपं तां त कामवशगः शठः हा हा कष्टम् इति स्माह वणिजतस्य शृणवत्. Now what happened? After seeing her beauty, okay, the man was overcome by lust. So he shouted, aha, ha ha, kashta, kashta, like that he shouted. Okay, so that the merchant should hear it. Now what happened? Of course, we know that he was in his Mount Vrata. Then how did he shout? Right? So the same thing is asked by the merchant. Kim adhyaivam akasmat tvam maunam tyaktva avinitim maunam tyaktva avini uktavan. Right? Maunam tyaktva तच्छतुत्वा वणितं तं च परिव्राडम् अब्रवीत्. Now what happens? Now the same thing is asked by him. Why did you leave your silence, or why did you break your manvrata and speak like this? Right? Tyaktva uktavan iti. On hearing this, tat uchhatva vanijam tam cha parivradam abravit. So on hearing this, merchant asked him, and the monk said, or the wanderer said, that दुर्लक्षण्ये दुर्लक्षण्ये कन्या ते विवाहो तस्य यदा भवेत् तदा सुतदारस्य क्षय स्यात् निश्चितम्. Means what? Now this monk said, Duralakshane yam kanya means this kanya is having dura lakshana or bad lakshana. Okay, te vivaho tasya. If you marry her, or if you get her married, right? If you get your girl married, then you will lose your family. Okay. Now coming to the next one. That is tadetam vikshya dukkham me jatam bhakto hi me bhavan. तेनैवं मुक्तमावन स्मी त्यक्त्वा मौनं भवेत् कृति. Means what? Tadevam vikshya. By seeing that dukkham me jatam, I am sad because of this, because you are my devotee. Bhakto hi me bhavan, you are my devotee, right? So that is why I spoke like this, tyaktva, by leaving my maun or maun vrata. Bhavat krute, because of you, in your sake, right? So tadesham kanyakam नक्तं मञ्जुषायां निवेशिता उपरि न्यस्तदीपायां गंगायां क्षिप्यतां त्वया. Now what happened? What did he say, that monk? He said that tadesham kanyakam naktam tonight. Then tad esham, this kanya, what you do with this girl? Today night manjushayam niveshatam, place her in a box. Upari, on the box, Nyastadipayam, night, you light a lamp on the box, okay, or place the lamp, and Gangayam Kshipyatam Tvaya, and throw her into the Ganga water, okay, or Ganga river. तथेति प्रतिपद्येत गत्वा स अथ वणिग्भयात् नक्तं चक्रे तथा सर्व निर्विमर्शा हि भीरवः. So now what happened? Then tatheti pratipadyate eva. So he agreed to do this. And the merchant did as the monk said, because he was nirvimarsha. He could not analyze anything because of that fear. Right? Now pravrajakopi tatkalam uvacha anucharan even. Now what happened? Pravrajakaha api, that monk, tatkalam, in that time, uvacha, he said to his followers, uvacha anucharan ijan. Okay, anucharan nijan, his own truthful disciples, anucharan disciples, he said on uvacha, Gangam Gacha, go to that Ganga river, Tatranta Tatrantah Avahanti, that is Avahanti floating, there is floating, Yam cha pashyatha, that whatever is floating there, go and get that. Okay, and whatever you see flowing in there, right? So go to the Ganges and whatever you see flowing in there, Prusthastha Deepa, Prushthatha Deepa, Manjusham Guptam Aneyatam Iha. Means what? Prusthastha Deepam. That is, bring the lamp on. The lamp is on the box, right? So, the identification is there is a lamp on the box or there is a diya on the box. Manjusham, right? Guptaman Aneyat. Guptam Aneyateha means bring it secretly to me, right? And then udghataniya na, don't open it. Cha sa shrute, if you hear api, any antardhvani, that is inside sound, okay, if you hear any inner sound also, don't open it. Now coming to tatheti chagata yavat ganga na prapnuvanti te rajaputrah kim api tavat tasyam avatarat. Means what? Tathepi chagata. Like that the followers went. Okay. They said we will do so. And they went off. But yavat ganga na prapnuvanti te. Okay. But they did not arrive yet. There, before they arrived, some Rajaputra kimapi. Okay. Some Rajaputra Tavat, there he arrived. Okay. Tavat tasyam avatarat means he arrived. Some prince arrived into the river. Okay. That night. Saha atra vanija kshipta manjusham vikshya deepatah. There, Saha atra, there he saw the box thrown by the merchant. Right? The prince, seeing that box which the merchant had thrown in, what he did? भृतः अन्याय सहसा कौतुकाद उद्घाटयत. Means what? Bhrutya means he asked his servants. Bhrutyah anaya. He said his servants, Bhrutyah anaya. He told his servants to get the box immediately. Sahasa kautukat udghata means he opened it with curiosity. Okay, then coming to the next slok, that is Dadarshantah Kanyam Ta Hridayo Anmadkarani means Dadarshantah, after seeing inside the girl, Tam Hridayo Anmadaka Karanimi means the girl which would touch his heart. After seeing that heart enchanting girl, what he did, Upayeme, he married her in Gandharva Vidhi. Okay, in the Gandharva ceremony of marriage. That Shanam, that immediately he married that girl in the method of Gandharva marriage. Gata atha tasmin Samprapta Kanya Ratno Nrupatme. So Gata Tatha means there the Nrupa, that is the son of king, Nrupatmaji, the son of king or the prince got, what did he get? The Kanya Ratna. That is a girl in the form of gem. So he got the girl in the form of gem, right? And then what he did? Krutva tatyaja nikshipyam ghoram vanarah. Then what he did? Inside that manjusha, he placed a fierce monkey. Okay. Next we have ghoram cruel, a monkey inside. Vanaram antare. Gata eti. Okay. 14th shlok again we'll do. Now manjusham tam chat gangayam tatheva Vardhastha Deepikam. So now what he did, the prince set the box on Ganga river, and he boxed it exactly as it was before, putting Krutva Tatyaja Nikshipya Ghoravanaraha. Inside he placed a Ghoravanaraha, a cruel monkey. Now coming to the 15th slok, which talks about the girl being a gem. Okay, so Gatha iti tasmin samprapya kanya ratne nrupadmaje आययुत्सस्य चिन्तवन्त शिष्याः प्रव्राजकस्यते. Now what happened? Half the prince having departed, he went off with the girl, right, which was equal to a gem, Kanya Ratnaha. Okay, after that the followers came, the followers of the monk came to the Ganga river in search of that box. Now, dadrushrutam tascha manjusham gruhitva tasya chintakam. Okay, so now what happened? They saw that box, they took it out and carried it to the monk. Gruhitva tasya chintikam निन्युः प्रव्राजकस्येन सोऽथं हृष्टो जगादतान्. So Ninyum brought Pravrajakasyena. They brought it to the monk. Okay, and the monk was very happy. Rishto, very happy. Okay, Jagada them. Then he said, being very happy, the monk addressed the followers by saying, Ekoyam sadhaye mantram adayatam. Mantram adayetar upari. Okay, so what happened? Now the monk said, Ekoyam sadhaye mantram adaye tam iha upari adhastushnim cha yushmabhihi shayitavyam imim nisham. So he said that then the monk, okay, having said this, the monk took the box and he said, Today, Ekaeki Sadhayah. Today, I will go alone on the top of the monastery and you all have to sleep downstairs today. Okay, so I will take this upstairs and perform some mantra on it alone. You all must sleep downstairs in silence. इति उक्त्वा तां स मञ्जुषाम् आरोप्य मठिकोपरि सः परिव्राड विवृतान् वणिककन्या अभिलषुकः. So having said this, the monk took the box to the top of the monastery and then opened it, eager to find the merchant's daughter. But what happens is completely different. ततश्च तस्य निर्गत वानरो भीषणाकृतिः. Then a Bhishanakrutihi, a horrible monkey, came out of the box. Tam abhyadhavat swakrute murtimaneva durnayah. So a monkey of fierce form sprang out of the box and rushed upon the monk as the embodiment of evil. As a symbol of evil, that monkey rushed upon the monk. Okay, so this was the result of what he did, right? Then saha tasya dashanaihi na Dashanaihi Nasam. So, by using his teeth, he cut off his nose. Right? At that moment, the monkey became furious. Right? So, what he did, that the monkey tore off his nose with his teeth and Nakhaihi Karanocha Takshanam, and his ears with his nails of the claws. Chichedapapasya Kapirnagarehi Eva Krudhaha. Then what happened finally? At that moment, the monkey became furious like the master of restraint. Like it couldn't control its anger. And the monkey cut off the sinful man's nose with its teeth and ears with the nails of his claws. Finally, Pratha Budhva. Okay, Pratah Budhva Chah Tatsarvam Jahasa Sakalo Janah Nanandasa Vanika Cha Sa Tatsuta Prapta Satpatihi. Now, what happened early morning? The next, okay, Pratah Buddhatva. Okay, Prathar Buddhatva means as the morning came or as morning arrived. Cha Tat Sarvam. Everybody heard the news, right? Next early morning as it arrived, everybody heard the story and laughed heartily. Jahasa. They laughed. Everybody, Janaha, Sakalo Janaha laughed heartily. But the merchant was delighted, right? As his daughter had got a good husband. Satpatihi. Right? So here we are also done with our third chapter. Thank you.